Ketchup and cream maybe sounds weird for the first time, but believe me, you will love it how tasty and easy it is. Start with cream, ketchup and your favorite chicken spice. If you don't have any, simply use salt and pepper. Just mix everything together until it's smooth enough. In the video I use chicken leg, but of course you can use any part of the chicken you like. Put the meat into the sauce and make sure that the sauce will cover every part of the meat. It's very important to cover the top and then into the oven for 40 minutes. After the first round in the oven, remove the lid and put it back for another 15 minutes. If you like it so far, don't forget to subscribe. In the meantime, I prepared some rice as a side dish, and if you want to know how to make perfect rice every time, I will leave a link in the description. After the second round in the oven, it's ready to eat. Try it at home and I'm pretty sure that you will love the result.